Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about AC motors and generators, which are electrical machines that convert energy between mechanical motion and electrical energy in the form of alternating current. These machines are essentials in power systems, industries, and daily application. Introduction to AC generators. An AC generator, also known as an alternator, converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. This means that when a machine rotates, it produces electricity. It is commonly used in power plants and vehicles to generate AC power. Construction of alternators. An alternator is made up of two main parts. The rotor is the rotating part that creates the magnetic field, while the stator is the stationary part where electricity is generated. The interaction between these two parts produces alternating current. Types of alternators. Alternators are classified based on their rotor design. The two main types are salient pole and cylindrical pole alternators. Each type is designed for specific operating condition. Types of alternator. Silent pole type. Ah, this is the example of silent pole type and non-silent pole type. This is the example. Silent pole alternator have poles that stick out from the rotor. Because of this design, they are suitable for low to medium speed operation. They are commonly used in hydroelectric power plants where the rotation speed is slower. Cylindrical pole alternator have a smooth rotor surface. This allows them to operate at high speed. They are typically used in steam and gas turbine systems where fast rotation is required. EBR, Automatic Voltage Regulator. The automatic voltage regulator or EBR is responsible for maintaining a stable output voltage. It adjusts the voltage automatically when there are changes in load or speed, helping protect electrical equipment and ensuring consistent performance. Introduction to AC motors. An AC motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. This means it uses electrical to create motion. AC motors are widely used because they are reliable, durable, and require minimal maintenance. Construction of AC motor. An AC motor consists of a stator, which produces a magnetic field, and a rotor, which rotates to create motion. Other supporting parts include the shaft, bearing, and housing, which help the motor function properly. Types and operation of AC motor. There are two main types of motors: induction motor and synchronous motor. Induction motor using electromagnetic induction, while synchronous motor runs at a constant speed that matches the magnetic field. Squirrel cage induction motor. The squirrel cage motor is the most common type of induction motor. It has a simple rotor design made of metal bars. It works by inducing current in the rotor, which creates torque and causes rotation. Starting methods. Different motors require different starting methods. Three-phase motor can start on their own, while single-phase motor need assistance, such as capacitors, to begin rotating safely. One rotor induction motor. This type of motor has windings connected through slip rings. It provides higher starting torque and better speed control, but it is more complex. more expensive and more requires more maintenance. Synchronous motor types. Synchronous motor operate at a constant speed. There are two types: permanent magnet, which uses magnet, and electrically excited, which uses electromagnets to create the magnetic field.